Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're making salmon with a brown sugar teriyaki glaze. As a side, I'm going to show you my favorite way of making broccoli, and it's roasted broccoli. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. All right, let's get to the kitchen. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, and we're making salmon.
Is it salmon or salmon?
It's definitely salmon. My mama says salmon. I'm gonna get in trouble. The first step is to prepare our glaze. We're gonna take the brown sugar, pour it into our teriyaki sauce, and give that a stir. We're going to take our glaze and brush it on top of the salmon. We want to make sure every bit of this is coated. I'll just pour it on top. Don't forget to get the edges. Take your onion slices and place them on top of the salmon. It looks so pretty and healthy. We're gonna let this marinate for 30 minutes. You can even let this marinate overnight. While we're letting this marinate, we're gonna go ahead and start the broccoli. Out of all the ways to prepare broccoli, this is my favorite, and my kids even love it. It's so easy. What we're gonna do is take our oil and put it on the pre-cut broccoli. Then take your LAWRYS seasoning. This gives it such good flavor. A little bit goes a long way, so you can always add more later, but you definitely want to season to taste. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Okay. Now that that's done, we're just going to put it on a cookie sheet, a baking sheet that's been lined. The cleanup is so easy, and you just want to put it out on a single layer, and that's it. We're going to put this in a preheated 375-degree oven and roast it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, that works out perfect. Our salmon only needs 20 minutes in the oven also. Yes, I love when that happens. So now we need to transfer the marinated salmon to our baking sheet. Once again, I'm using a lined baking sheet with foil. It just makes the cleanup process so much easier. Oh, it's tricky. If we lose some onion rings, we'll just put them on. And because this marinade is so good, I am okay with drizzling it back over the top, because that's just flavor. We're gonna go ahead and get the salmon in the oven with the broccoli. We won't touch the salmon again, but we will need to go in and stir the broccoli every once in a while. You can hear the broccoli sizzling already.
The broccoli?
You can hear the broccoli sizzling already.
From New York?
We're about 10 minutes into the cooking time. Let's open the oven and let's see how the broccoli looks. Coming along nicely. We'll just go ahead and give that a little stir because we want it to cook evenly. And look right here. This right here is what you want. Hang on, let me flip it over. Hello. See that brown char goodness? That's it. That's where it's at. Okay, salmon's looking good. We'll close that up for another 10 minutes.
How much does this cost me anyway? Pay for the bills, right?
Yeah, right. This salmon only costs $6.99 in our local grocery store. I buy it in the seafood freezer section.
$6.99, that's pretty good.
$6.99. I like a good deal. I just came up with a spicy drizzle that you can put on top of the salmon. It's so good. I have a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, sriracha. You must have sriracha in your pantry. It's spicy, but it's so good, and it goes on a lot of things. And then I added about a tablespoon of honey, and stir it up, and it's going to taste so good on the salmon. It's spicy, creamy, and a little bit of sweet. It smells like an Asian restaurant in my kitchen. The 20-minute timer has gone off. Let's take a look and see how everything looks. We're gonna start with the broccoli first. Oh yeah, look at the char. It's cooked to perfection. That's just the way I like it. Now, for the salmon. Oh yeah, those onions are cooked perfectly. The salmon looks really, really good. We have our broccoli. If you want to make it pretty fun, we've got some rice that we've packed into a little bowl. And we're going to see if this works. I'm taking bets that it won't. Oh! Yeah! To make this prettier and taste a little better.
Prettier?
Prettier.
More pretty?
To make this more pretty and taste a little better, we're gonna add pepper on top of the rice. And then sesame seeds. How cute is that? We're gonna get a little bit of the sauce. This is better than any restaurant. That's really good. I'm impressed myself. So you can make this for your friends and family too. It's easier than it looks, and if I can do it, you can do it. And it's more impressive and it's affordable. So I dare you to try it.
It's a win-win.
Oh, and that broccoli is just so good.
Just eat it.
Besides the amazing taste of this dish, the next best part about it is the cleanup process.
You missed.
Is the cleanup process.
Perfect. Easy peasy.